Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video we will talk about what is Joomla. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. So what is Joomla? Joomla is an open source content management system or CMS that is used to build and manage websites and web applications. It is a popular and widely used CMS known for its flexibility, user-friendliness, and extensive customization options. Joomla is written in PHP and uses MySQL database to store content and other website data. So we will talk about the key features of Joomla. Key features of Joomla include number 1, user-friendly interface. Joomla provides a user-friendly administrative interface that allows website administrators to easily manage content, create and edit articles, add multimedia, and perform various tasks without extensive technical knowledge. Number 2, extensibility. Joomla has a vast library of extensions including templates and plugins, which enables users to extend, customize the functionality and appearance of their websites. These extensions can be created by the Joomla community or third-party developers. Number 3, multilingual support. Joomla offers built-in support for multiple languages, making it suitable choice for websites targeting a global audience. Number 4, access control. Joomla allows you to define different user groups with specific access levels, ensuring that only authorized users can edit and manage certain content or website features. Number 5, SEO friendly. Joomla includes features and plugins to help optimize your website for search engines, improving its visibility in search results. Number 6, community support. Joomla has an extensive support community of developers, designers, and users who contribute to its ongoing development and provide assistance through forums, documentation, and online resources. Joomla is commonly used for a wide range of websites including blogs, e-commerce websites, corporate websites, educational platforms, and more. It's a versatile CMS or content management system that can be adapted to various web development needs. Okay guys, so this is the end of my report on what is Joomla, a very popular open source content management system or CMS that is widely used in developing wide variety of web applications. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you're new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. Please like, share, and most importantly, please subscribe if you are new with my channel. See you in the next video guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.